Now we're offering something locally here as a charity. We do this several times a year, and sales this time of year on bird feeders are fairly low because people are more interested in summer stuff than feeding birds. So what I do is promote this as a give back to the community, and starting in the middle of June till the end of June, I offer 10% of all my bird feeder sales to Gravenhurst Against Poverty. And we will probably continue this on to the weekend, as it is a long weekend. And I chose Gap because we know there are a lot of hungry people in Gravenhurst. And people have to supply money to buy goods. And this is one way I feel I can help to offset the cost and be able to give back to the community and feed the hungry. And you're getting a good quality bird feeder. I would say that from 60 to 80% of my sales through the year are customers who already have them, and they come back as another one for themselves or one as a gift. I have the phone number 705-687-8441, and at the end of that period we will forward payment to Gap for 10% of all our sales.